All right, so I want to tell you why I made this course. For a long time, I noticed something very frustrating. Whenever people talked about AI, there were always two categories of people. So one group understood what was being said, but the second group had no clue, but they were just nodding along and pretending that they understood it. And the people who didn't understand weren't confused because they were not smart enough. No, they were confused because there was a lot of assumptions in the courses. Nobody ever gave them a proper starting point to get into the subject. So every course, every article, every video, just assumed you already knew the basics and just went right into it. They skipped the foundations entirely, making it difficult for people to catch on. And on top of that, most people think that AI is this brand new thing that just showed up in 2022 with ChatGPT. But hey, AI has been making decisions in your life for decades, quietly in the background, in the tools you use every single day, influencing and affecting your life. So I built this course. I wish I had it when I was first starting out because I believe it will help everyone just getting started. The course is Demystifying AI, a simple introduction for beginners. No tech jargons, no assumptions, no technical background required. Just a clear, honest foundation on that you can finally build on, and it will make everything else make sense for you. And here is the best part. You don't need to block, out hours of time in your schedule to get through the course. Every lesson in this playlist is short and focused. You can watch one on your way to work. You can watch one during your lunch break. You can just skip around to the whatever topics interest you. And then you can also just follow the schedule and walk through them in order in the playlist. It's completely up to you. There is no pressure, no deadline, and no commitment. Just come back here whenever you're ready, continue from where you started, or just get into it. Pick up right where you left off, and you'll be good. This entire course is completely free, right here in this playlist. Start with the first lesson, and drop a comment whenever something clicks for you. I'd love to read about that, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Let's do this together, and thank you for joining me.